Hey guys, Dr. Carey just got these books in the clinic, and I wrote this book to encourage people to stop cracking their own neck and back and even their knuckles. And it's a topic that I've talked to patients about for decades now. You know, I've been practicing for 31 years. People will crack their own necks or backs or their knuckles. I find a lot of teenagers do it, and just people in general, but then they get into a bad habit of cracking the joints to release the endorphins, but they're not doing the right thing for themselves. You have to have a professional check you and do those adjustments. Even I go to the chiropractor. I went to the chiropractor this morning to get my neck and back adjusted, and I know how to do the adjustments. So that just proves the point that you shouldn't be adjusting your own spine, but let somebody else do that for you.